Hi friends, we are continuing lecture on partial differential equations. So in this lecture we will discuss about how to find the pi in case of x raised to m into y raised to n. So complementary function is common for any method. So pi equal to 1 upon f of d d dash into x raised to m into y raised to n. So already we are studied in case of f of d of y equal to x raised to m. So in case of this pi 1 upon f of d into x raised to m. Now we are converted this into 1 plus phi of d some function of d by taking the least degree term common and expanded ascending powers of d. In the same way in this also we are converting in this form, but in case of this we have to try to make this either d dash by d or d by d dash and expand ascending powers of either d dash by d or d by d dash. Based on this condition, either m is greater than n or m is less than n. Suppose if m is greater than n, we are converting this into, try to make it in the form of 1 plus d dash by d, and we are expand by ascending powers of d dash by d. So in case of m is less than, we are trying to make it in the form of d by d dash and expanding it. So in case of this, what is d? So d is the partial derivative with respect to x. So therefore 1 by d is integration with respect to x. So remember this. Similarly, so d dash is partial derivative with respect to y. 1 by d dash is integrating with respect to y. So first of all, so depend on this, either m is greater than n or m is less than n, we have to convert any one of the form by taking the maximum order of the derivative of this, either d or d dash. See one example. So solve d square plus 6 d dash plus 5 d dash square of z equal to x y raised to m. So first of all, you have to find complementary function. For complementary function, you have to put d equal to m and d dash 1. So if you are substituting this d equal to m, this is m square plus 6 m into 1, that is 6m plus 5. And we are equating that result to 0, that is called auxiliary equation. Therefore, auxiliary equation is m square plus 6m plus 5 equal to 0. Now find out the roots of this equation. So what are the roots? Roots are m equal to minus 1 comma minus 5. Therefore complementary function is f1 of y minus x plus f2 of y minus 5x. So therefore pi equal to 1 upon f of d d dash into this RHS. So this is d square plus 6 d d dash plus 5 d dash square into x into y raised to m. So in case of this, so this is the m value is 1, n value is 4, therefore m is less than n. In case of this, we have to make it this in the form of d by d dash by taking the common of maximum highest order of the given function d dash value. So in case of this, so we have to take this is common. See in this d square plus 6 d d dash plus 5 d dash square. So take this value common and make it in the form of, so this value is 1 and this by this value and this by this value. If we are cancelling this 1d, we will get 1 plus d square by 5 d dash square plus 6 d by 5 d dash. Now substitute this value in this. So pi equal to 1 upon 5 d dash square into 1 by 1 plus this remaining value into x y raised to 4. Now we are expanding this in the ascending powers of, suppose what is the expansion of 1 upon 1 plus x, that is 1 minus x plus x square plus x minus x cube and so on. So x value is this total term, therefore we can expand this 1 minus x. 1 minus x means 1 minus 6d by 5d dash plus d square by 5d dash square plus x square, that means 6d by 5d dash plus 6d square by 5d dash square whole square and so on. So 1 minus x plus x square plus so on. Now first of all you have to multiply this 1 into this value, so this into this and this into this. So now, so where will you stop this process? So suppose if you consider this term, whenever you are differentiating this, what is d means what? Derivative, partial derivative with respect to x. So if you are differentiating x twice, we will get 0. That means this d square term and above this term, so that means d square d cube, so every term will be 0 after this. So therefore we have to stop this process at the first term only, d only. D square and more than that d square terms will be 0. Now multiply this into this and this into this, that is 1 by 5 d dash square minus 6d by 5 into 5 25 d dash square into d, that is d dash cube into x y raised to 4. Now in case of this, what is d dash? D dash is integrating with respect to y. So in case of this we are integrating this twice, in case of this we are integrating this thrice. Now we have to integrate first. So if you are integrating once, what you will get? So y raised to 4, that is y raised to 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1, that is y raised to 5 by 5. Again we are integrating, we will get y raised to 5 plus 1, that is y raised to 6. Already 5 is there, we will get 6. Again we have to integrate y raised to 7, 6 plus 1, 7 by already 5 into 6 into 7. Now we have to find this value. In case of this, leave this. Now we are integrated twice, we will get y raised to 6 by 5 into 6, 30. Again in this case also, if you are integrating thrice, we will get y raised to 7 by 5 into 6 into 7. Now in this, so d means derivative, so partial differentiation with respect to x. If you are differentiating this, we will get 1, and in this cancel this, so 25 into 5 into 7, 35, and simplify this. So this is the final answer, x y raised to 6 by 150 minus x y raised to 7 by 875. So therefore general solution is z equal to cf plus pi. So cf is f1 of y minus x plus f2 of y minus 5x plus pi is this one. So like this, whenever x raised to m into y raised to n, so based on that either m is greater than n or m is less than n, so try to make this in terms of d by d dash or d dash by d by taking the Maxim derivative term common and expand in the ascending powers of either this or this and simplify. So like that we have to simplify in this method. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe.